lot of students ask, where do you begin your CAT preparation? If this question is bugging you, you don't know where to start, how to start, well, this video is for you. So a lot of people don't know where to begin the CAT preparation because the syllabus is huge. There are so many concepts. Where should you actually start? Topics which have the highest weightage and which are simple to learn. Because the simpler something is and the more important it is, the higher the priority should be. So let me tell you where to start in each of the topics. So with VARC, RC has the highest weightage. It is 2/3 of the section. So the first task for you to actually start with VARC is develop a reading habit. Start by reading 2 articles every single day. Now let's come to LRDI section. It's a section that inspires fear. So you really cannot predict LRDI section. So how do you prepare for something which is unpredictable? There are things that we have observed that every single year, certain type of LRDI sets come very often. The most common type of LRDI sets that come are arrangements, linear arrangements, circular arrangements, and puzzles. That is Einstein's puzzles, quant puzzles. These 2 parts, puzzles and arrangements, are a big chunk of all the previous year's papers. If you consider, especially from 2020 onwards, every single slot, every single year will have at least one puzzles or arrangement set. Then we come to the second most common part, which is tables and charts. In every single slot, you will have at least one table-based set, and charts also come very common. Both of these are interconnected because to solve a charts-based set, you have to essentially make a table. So tables and charts are the second most common type of LRDI set that comes. Between them, between puzzles, arrangements, and tables and charts, you will get 3 out of the 5 sets that come in LRDI will be from these topics. Now, if they are so important, you should obviously begin your preparation from them. So what I would say is that get very comfortable with arrangements. Start with the simplest arrangements of linear arrangement, circular arrangement, and also start learning how to read charts, how to form tables using charts, how to manipulate tables. So these are the basic things that you should start your LRDI preparation with. Now let us come to quant. Quant, the most important topic with weightage as well as simplicity. Easiest topic, highest weightage is arithmetic. So I always tell my students to begin the preparation with arithmetic. Arithmetic is the foundation of the quant section. Most of your marks will come from the arithmetic topic. If you know for sure that 70% of your marks are coming from arithmetic, you should be very, very good at it, because then those 70% marks are guaranteed. That is where you should start your preparation when it comes to quant section. So this is basically my advice for where you should start. In the VRC section, start by developing a reading habit. In LRDI sections, puzzles, arrangements, tables, charts. In the quant section, arithmetic. If you're done with this, you'll be more than 50% of your way till the end goal. So start well, the end will also be good.